3x milling improvements. In ZW3D 2020, 3x milling module has been remarkably upgraded, such as 3D constant step size function added in Z-level operation, new zigzag option added in drive curve operation, and new batch calculation to utilize multi-core performance. First, let's compare the toolpath of the Z-level operation. The first one is created by constant cutting step in the Z direction. The second one consists of different cutting steps. Both of them are not the best. In ZW3D 2020, the drive curve control type is available. It can generate the toolpath according to the 3D isometric curve. It is the desired result and it delivers smoother and more accurate machining. New zigzag option added in drive curve operation. This toolpath is created in the previous version. View the toolpath verification, and you can find there's too much extra lifting in air cutting. Now the zigzag cutting method is also provided for drive curve option. This new toolpath is satisfying. The zigzag cutting method can generate the toolpath without unneeded link and cutting to improve machining efficiency. New batch calculation to utilize multi-core performance. In the 2020 version, 3x milling supports batch calculations to take advantage from multi-core performance. On the left interface, the manager shows the process of all operations, and you can dynamically view the usage status of multi-core CPU. When the calculation is completed, the calculation results can be imported in batches, which is very convenient. These are key improvements of 3x milling in ZW3D 2020.